I need to get a good stretching. My fucking hips. Every time I drive a lot, like I be feeling it. When I drive, I just sit here and I don't exercise. If I don't stretch, I be feeling it in my hips. Man, if I had a bitch to just fucking give me a solid massage, that'd be amazing. I be trying to give myself my own little massage like that right there. It's intense. Like I know my muscle is. It's about that time. I need at least a 30-minute stretch. Fucking 88 or 89 Ford I got on the back of this truck. 89 F-150. That shit comfortable as fuck, bro. Like, I don't know. He looks like he put some aftermarket suspension on it. But the seats, god damn. Comfortable as fuck. Cushion, like it feel like a couch. Straight up, a couch inside a truck. Way more comfortable than my vehicle. But I got a vehicle, so I'm grateful. My vehicle, man, I need a suspension game or something. I hit a bump. That shit rough. But I'm grateful I got a whip. But she was like, it's been passed down. The lady was like, it's been passed down. And the dude said, I've been driving it for 2 years. But stalled out. I hardly innovate, always listen to great people ahead of me. Fascinated how this world has transitioned so much. But at the end of the day, I have to transition with it. I can't be left behind, and I gotta learn and grow along with it. I still believe that I'm going to be in a good position, a very, very good position as I mature from a financial perspective. I think I'm going to be good. I always tell myself that I got to remind myself, as long as I always put in that work, and granted, I could put more effective work, I could be more strategic about how I allocate my time, and not just from a working perspective, like also when I get off of work, you know, sometimes I just don't do anything. And I was gonna say I don't feel like it, but that could be poison within itself. But I gotta control my schedule. I gotta find the times that I am free and utilize those times effectively. Very scatterminded right now, not organized, and also, I gotta do better. But I'm here right now, and I've been thinking, is like, really, what I gotta do is find a way to make money that, like, it doesn't necessarily have to be, like, if I do a business, I'm running a business, all right, if I get, let's just say for example, 3 trucks, okay, those 3 trucks, I don't need to have 100 trucks. It'd be nice, but really I need to think in terms of how many trucks will it take for me to sustain a living that I'm cool with. And sometimes the world gets us to think like, nah, you got to think long term, and you got to think long term. And even, I don't know where I got this thought from, but I always thought in terms of, dang, I got to do some stuff, some great stuff for generations to come. And but at the end of the day, while I'm always wanting that, I'm not even taking care of the now, my life, nothing. I'm not enjoying anything. So first, I gotta figure out how to fucking live a life that is worth living for me. Like, I gotta enjoy the shit for myself. I gotta figure out a way to build and live this life that is gonna take care of me and help me live right and move right. And then from there, it's gonna allow opportunities for me to invest and put money aside and put money in businesses that, you know, if that just continue to develop from there. But first, I gotta start with me and my life now. I gotta structure it to where I enjoy the way I'm making money and I'm just positioned correctly. And I just had that thought recently. It's like, damn, it's like, yeah, you could think about, it's easy to just, you know, have these visions in your mind about how you want to do great stuff and just be super broad about it. Like, I want to do great stuff for this and that and my family, but that's crazy. Now I see the bitches everywhere. I think it's a fucking fixed bike. Fixed gear bike. But yeah, I gotta do better. I gotta do better for me. Keep saving, keep investing, keep learning. Oh fuck. It's 8:26. Yo, I'm gonna turn it around. Just cause I know some places bitch about the traffic and the way it goes. Yeah. Just in case. Yeah. I just want to be rich. Nah, I don't really care to be rich. I just want to fuck a bitch. Yeah. That's what I want. Cheeks! I just want some cheeks. Baby girl, I want your cheeks all over my skin. Man, I really fuck with that message. Irresponsibly long. I would get a sweater like that, but it's gotta be a quality dope sweater. Nah. Gotta act like you're going out of your way for customers. All of a sudden, you went inside and give me that 20. I can sense it, bro. I can sense it. Watch.